bit vexed because these devils got me under pressure. Hell, it's not a home for me, but staying here was nothing better. The only thing the hood provided was a block of cheddar. Make a cake no matter what time it is or how's the weather. I found love in the wrong places I shouldn't, but born bitches who wanna be hips as homie, you couldn't. My nigga Ishmael gone, fuck it, I miss him. He gave me his gang flag, I keep it then I forget him. All alone in my system where no human can vision. All the troubles committed like I was trained for sinning. My on the road status ain't keep me from robbing niggas, cause I'm tatted on my neck, not a jaw would call a nigga down. Always been loved and respected, gotta plug, I'm connected. Got a 9 to 5 off of my checklist. Billions of currency, rugged T. Michael Kadeem is, and Jamie got the luxury, plus a brother who keep it G. My nigga Tony on his way to Brooklyn. We bumpin' Stevie in Atlanta, Crooklyn. Ever seen a lost leader so rebellious with no rep? It's black on both sides, bitch. Trust me, I'm most deaf. Believe I've been a
villain.
Had to be a
villain.
Lost leader breathing.
Villain.
7th floor.
Villain.
Always gotta be a
villain.
I'm a dire.
Villain.
You should try.
Villain.
Surviving like a
villain.
As I put it in my last incarnation, everybody's got something to hide except for me and my monkey. It means really that, you know, one cannot be absolutely oneself in public, because the fact that you're in public makes you have to have some kind of defense or whatever it is. But we always tried, from whether it's from Two Virgins through Imagine, through anything we've done together, the films we made together, always tried to get as near to the uncensored, as it were, for what we are, not to project an image of something that we're not. Because having been in that sort of pop business so long, and tried to retain myself throughout it, but obviously not always being successful at that, it was most uncomfortable when I didn't feel I was being myself. You know, when I would have to smile when I didn't want to smile. And it became like all that, like being a politician, you know. And what I really got through this 5 years is I'm not running for office. I like to be liked. I don't like to offend people. I would like to be a happy, contented person. I don't want to have to sell my soul again, as it were, to have a hit record. I've discovered that I can live without it, and it makes it happier for me. But I'm not going to come back in and try and create a persona.